Hi, my name is Rishi Anand. I'm working in a leading MNC in Gurugram and I am associated with Berkowits from last 10 years. My journey started in 2012 when I was using hair patch service of Berkowits. Then in 2019 December, my doctor suggested me to go for a hair transplant and I decided and I opted for that. In 2020 January, I got my treatment done for hair transplant. And since then, it has been a wonderful experience. I've got my natural hairs back, so life has become very easy. I've gained my confidence, and everything is so wonderful now. So I really thank Berkowits for giving me such a wonderful treatment through this hair transplant. Also, I'm using their products like Berkowits Grow shampoo and hair serum, which are really very good, and it gives me a very good boost to my overall hair health. Would also recommend this kind of treatment to my friend and family. I've already given few reference to my colleagues, and I'm sure after seeing my result, they will definitely go for Berkowits.